if I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love, moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Beautiful morning here, July the 1st, and me and my neighbor buddy Terry are going fishing. Yeah. Terry owns the wharf that we usually clean our fish at all the time here in the background here. We're gonna go and try first fish of the year. Hopefully there's not too many whales out there, and yeah. The whales are eating capelin, so that's what I mean by that. So if there's capelin, that means the fish probably won't be that hungry to take our bite our hook.
And everything is growing up tight. And nobody is watching at night.
Secret spot number one. Let's see, first time of the year. See if there's anything here. We're doing a test run there. Terry's gonna see if there's any biting, then I'll get my rod out. If not, we'll move to another spot. All right, we got a taker. We got a taker.
Got a little bit of weight to it.
Yeah, that's good. Well, any fish is better than no fish right now. My pigs are hungry.
Yeah.
I can see, boy. That didn't take long, Terry.
No, it didn't.
Oh, geez, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, sir. Look at that, 5.5 pound, we'll call it. That's all right, good fillets there. Okay, that other next second one is 8 pounds. And now I think he got a work on now, he figures. Because he's just slow going, so you gotta play that one out to get her up. Don't wanna lose it, so we'll see what happens here. Well, I gotta say, look at that. Now if you straighten his tail out, look, up to my waist to the floor of the boat. Now that's something else. I say that's gotta be the biggest one I've seen. Wow, that's pictures there, Terry boy.
Yeah, it's a beautiful fish.
Well, Terry boy, we got a problem here this morning.
I've got a cooler big
We got a problem, look. Boy, so that's a big, what is it, 40 liter or whatever it's called, Coleman cooler. What a size of a fish. I gotta say, that's probably the biggest one I've ever seen. Gotta say, yeah. 20 pounds, he's over 20 pounds. My God, you can't eat, you wouldn't be able to eat that in one meal. Anyways, we'll get as many as we can. If we cooler full, and we'll have to probably come out again to get the second half of our fish. Well, we haven't been very long. We got the cooler full. Look. Anyways, we only got 10 fish, so we're allowed a couple extra there. I got a letter for Holly and getting Holly's fish, so we can get 15 total here now this morning. We might have to put some in our pocket though. You okay with that, Terry?
Yeah, sure.
Put them in your pocket.
I got a big pocket.
Yeah, well, we found a good spot. The wind was breezy, and then all of a sudden it just dropped right off. So anyways, well, I don't know if we were 0 hour, Terry, huh?
I don't think.
My Lord, look. We haven't got our limit, but we got our limit. And we literally don't have space for any more, so we got to go with that. Yeah, some nice fish there, boy. Anyways, now the work starts, and it's a beautiful day here now, so let's get going. Don't get any better than this for fishing, I tell you. Summertime, eh? The water's nice and flat, and so yeah. So that cooler is right stock tight full, and yeah. So we're gonna be a little while here cleaning that up, and there's some other people here in town. Might get a chance to take them out later to get their fish. We'll see how it goes. It's a beautiful day in the water. So. Okay, we're back out fishing again, and we got two more that wants fish.
Yeah, you're right in the back there.
Yeah, no, but I feel I got something.
And now they got one on each, I think. You got one on?
I think so. Well, I lost it. If he's biting it again now. He's
There you go.
nibbling at it.
Just, yeah.
You must stay away from the motor though.
I know, but
Yeah, just swing it around. Anyways, we'll see what we can get here today with these.
we're not losing.
No tawny one.
There you go. Well, that's pretty good. That's just like the other one we had. Oh, geez, if I get my fingers around.
God. No, I'm getting it up. I'm getting it up here today. I got at least catch one. That's what I was saying.
Lots of fish there. Get your line down, Pat. Get the hook down. About 20 feet.
Geez, I just struggle with it.
Still going? Still on?
Feels like it's there. Yeah. My baby one now. Yeah.
Okay, Pat's got the big one on now. Yep. How we doing? Oh yeah. Almost halfway there. Yep. These guys over here, they're doing all right. Hey, look at that, look. Yep. Fish going everywhere. Boy, it's a good day. It's a great day on the water. There's somebody else coming out in a boat there. There's another boat down there. It's good stuff.
Oh,
You lost him?
yeah.
Oh,
But it looked
all
like a
that.
sculpin. It looked like a sculpin.
Oh, that was a jellyfish that was
Oh.
floating there.
Oh, lost him.
Was there?
I think so. Unless he's not pulling. Oh no. Oh, he's there.
She got a big one now, she says. Let's see.
Oh, I can't even. Oh.
Got one, Pat? No? Okay. Over now? Okay. You stay over there on that side, okay? Don't come over here. All right. Ah, you got him by the gut. That's why he feels so heavy. But he's a good sized fish. You gentle, 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 gentle. Gentle, gentle. There you go. That's a good size, an average size. Okay, just raise your bum a little bit there. There we go. Okay. Run. You got one on too?
Yeah.
Aha. Not as big as the last one.
No.
Oh. Hey,
Actually, I don't lose that rod.
she's got a big one.
Am I bottom?
Oh.
I don't know. I gotta be bottom or something.
It's bottom.
Okay, slacking off. Okay, I think. Why, you lost him? Very small. Okay, lots of fish here. Looks like. Yeah, 118 feet. Oh. No.
See, that's what's happening to me over here.
Well, you should probably jig them now. Under that tick down there, you jig them by the guts or something. Got one? Yeah. small, isn't he?
I had that one jiggly by itself.
See you again. Hey, show it up.
Do it again. Right up.
Oh, yeah, that's from his waist to his shoulder. Look, good size. They got their limit. They got their limit. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. That's the last one that Pat just got. Look at that. That's a dandy fish. Yeah. Good stuff. These guys over here. How you guys doing? Good. Okay. Well, let's get in and clean those up, I guess.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak on through the main floor. All night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take a long way home. Tonight we're free to roam. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. High on life, got a good buzz going. I've got no way of knowing what tomorrow's gonna bring me. Not gonna worry. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down.
Another fine day here. We got a couple ladios here from
Yeah,
Bellwood.
how's it going?
Ladios. That's a good nickname, Ladios.
Ladios, yes.
Yeah, it's a good nickname.
Way from the
Anyways.
city of Bellwood.
Yeah, good old friends from way back. So we're gonna have another try at the fishing here today, and hopefully we can get these guys some fish. Hey,
10-4.
10-4.
10-4 on the fish.
All right.
I did it all, I played pretend. I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you. I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end. Whoa. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again. Like blood on a pen. Would it matter then? When everything starts to fade, I'm back like it's yesterday. Would it all consent? Would it matter then?
Hey, we had a nice. We had a. That's right. She'll drift back now, Trev. So we had a eventful, a couple nice fish there, 6 and 8 pound fish there, nice ones. And look at the morning we got. Man, oh man, there's something nice here. There's a boat over here, some are fishing, another one in here fishing. So yeah, good conditions. Good conditions. Yeah, he can't get his hook down. It's hitting the fish. Lots. Look at the screen. Look at that. Look. Fish everywhere. According to this, 120 feet down. Anyway.
Got one.
Oh, you got one already.
Oh, lost.
Oh, jigging too hard, Trev. Oh, and Greg got one there now.
I just hooked one in.
Yeah,
I jigged him. He's jigged again.
yeah. No, you're good. Pull him up.
That's a big fish, Brian.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm not saying that no more.
No saying no more. So every time that we thought we had a big fish, we got him by the guts.
Yeah.
Oh well. All not broadside, but anyways, we got a few nice fish so far. 8 pound, 6 pound, 12 pound. That's good fish. and the conditions are getting better. Seems like the wind is dying right out. Well, a big fisherman here this morning. Look at this. Yeah, that's the biggest one we got there, and we got that one. Yeah, that's our limit. So we're doing good. Good. It was a good morning, eh?
Yes, it was, my
well,
buddy.
Not over yet. The work just started.
That's
Look
it.
at the water. Look at the water. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah. Okay, let's get in and get this cleaned up before it goes bad on us.
But you think you're doing it wrong. Ooh. High pressure underground. Ooh.
Well, that was a whirlwind of activity. Lots of fish on the go there. We had to work for our last couple, but that's good. They got their fish. That's good. They're happy. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you're watching this for the first time or the 100th time, if you're watching our channel, please subscribe. If you're not, costs you nothing, but it really helps us out. So subscribe, share it with a friend. All thumbs up and all that. That all helps us out a lot, and we really appreciate it. So stay tuned and come back for more.